In this video, I'm going to review exponents. So I'm going to help you understand how to do exponents. So if we have a problem like this that says write the expression as an exponent, and we have threes that are multiplied with each other, a whole string of them. Now the first thing to do is understand exponent. An exponent tells us how many times we need to multiply the base by itself. So in this case, 3 is the base. This is called the base. And now the next step is we count how many times 3 is used in the repeated multiplication. So an exponent just tells us how many times we need to repeat the multiplication. So let's count how many times it's repeated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the exponent here, right here. That's how many times the 3 appears repeated. So the answer is 3 to the 5. And that's all there is to exponents. It's not very difficult. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, you could check out the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link that'll take you right to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.